Alright, and we're back. Now I've put my second layer of lasagna on. Since I'm doing three, I just do the exact same thing as I did in the first one. I put my noodles, my sauce, my cottage cheese, hamburger, and shredded cheese, and I put a little bit more sauce on top. So now I'm going to do my last layer. This is exactly how I did the second one too. Just put my noodles on top there. Put a little bit of sauce on. You could probably use a little less sauce on the bottom if you need to, or have an extra can of this in case you get low. Sometimes that happens to me if I get a little excited with my sauce. But I think we'll be okay for now. This will all kind of bubble up and heat together while it's in the oven anyway. I'm going to actually turn on my oven real quick so I can start heating up. I like to set it at about 350. And I usually cook it for about an hour, 15 minutes, just to make sure the noodles are cooked. And you can check it just with a fork, make sure it's tender. Take a little bite out of it, see if you like it. My noodles are covered up here on those edges. I just use a spoon. I think it's easy enough. Spread everything around. Okay. I'm going to put some more of my cottage cheese on. Now I'm doing all this for a total of 3 layers of noodles. That's 9 of those. This out. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of make sure everything gets a little bit. Alright, and the rest of my hamburger. Using the last of my 3 portions here. I divide it up. Okay, I'll spread that out a little bit. Alright, now I like to top it with a pretty solid layer of the shredded mozzarella so it kind of makes that covering on top for it. So I'm going to put a little extra on this top layer than I did on the other layers. Just so it gets that nice color on top. It's pretty. Totally like lots of cheese on my lasagna. Spread that out a little bit. And I like to just sprinkle a little bit of parsley on just for a little bit of color there. I think it looks nice, or your Italian seasoning or whatever you have. I think the parsley goes good with it. Alright. Now we're all done with that. As soon as my oven's done heating up at 350, I'll pop it in for about an hour and 15 minutes, and then we're going to check on it.